Hey everyone, welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. In today's video, we're exploring the OnePlus 12, a phone that's turning heads by keeping things simple yet incredibly powerful. If you're in the market for a new smartphone that focuses on what truly matters, you'll want to hear this. Gone are the days of overly complicated smartphones. The OnePlus 12 takes us back to basics, combining a top-notch screen, solid build, great cameras, and battery life that just won't quit. All of this at a price that won't break the bank. Let's dive in. Design and durability. First up, let's talk design and durability. The OnePlus 12 boasts a sleek camera setup, a back panel made of textured Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for extra grip and protection, and an IP65 rating to keep dust and water at bay. Plus, it brings back the beloved IR blaster, letting you control your TV and soundbar without hunting for the remote. All of this, wrapped up in a sturdy build. Camera capabilities. Now, onto the cameras. With a 50MP main, 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP telephoto lens, the OnePlus 12's cameras deliver vivid, clear daytime shots and competitive night photos. Whether it's a sunlit landscape or a squirrel on the move, this phone captures it all with ease. It even holds its own against pricier competitors, offering a more natural look compared to Samsung's warmer tones. Battery and charging. Battery life and charging speed are game changers for any smartphone user. Here's where the OnePlus 12 shines. Imagine not worrying about your phone dying on you. The OnePlus 12 lasts over 26 hours on a single charge. Plus, with super fast charging, you can get back to 55% battery in just 10 minutes. It's the perfect companion for anyone on the go. Performance and pricing. Let's talk performance and how much it's going to set you back. Priced at a competitive $800, the OnePlus 12 doesn't just save you money, it delivers impressive performance across the board. From its high-quality display and snappy response times to its straightforward, no-frills approach, it's designed for efficiency. This phone proves you don't need to spend a fortune for quality. To wrap up, the OnePlus 12 stands out by focusing on the essentials, offering an excellent display, camera, battery life, and more, all without the complications of unnecessary features. It's a breath of fresh air for anyone seeking simplicity and reliability in a smartphone. Liked what you heard about the OnePlus 12? Hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Have thoughts or questions about the OnePlus 12? Drop us a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye on our channel for the latest in tech. See you in the next video.